All right, so I'm going to demonstrate how to change the chart symbol using Sierra Chart Py. So we're basically programmatically going to change the symbol of this chart using the Sierra Chart Py library with Python. So the first thing to note is I currently have an Apple chart open, have the Sierra Chart DX study with the key of A, and I have a few snippets here that I just put up so it's easier. I don't have to type, I can copy paste. First thing we will go into a Python shell, start. So from the bridge, create a bridge object. Once that's done, we're going to be using the set data file function to modify the symbol chart. So let's copy this. It here. Now let's say I want to change this daily Apple file into Q intraday file. So enter. As you can see, this chart now changed to an NQ intraday chart, 10-minute chart. I want to change it, let's say, to ES chart. Let's go like that. Then it changes it to an ES chart. Now, this function here, if you go to the documentation, it uses the underline function called SC data file. So let's go check that out. So SC data file documentation is on CRChart documentation's website. And as you can see, it takes we set this to the file name, like they do down here. This is the Axle code. So underneath the hood, that's pretty much what we're doing. And you can see that if it's an SCID file, then it changes it to intraday file. And if it's a DLY extension, it'll change it to historical chart. So if I go back here, let's see that. So previously I've been changing it using the SID extension, which creates an intraday chart for us, a 10-minute chart. Now let's see what happens if I change it to a DLY. See now that we're downloading data, we downloaded complete, and this returned. And then we can see that this is a daily chart. See our historical charts.